In this video you will learn how to receive all buttons as an array that are children of an element in .NET Maui. First I will create a method to collect all the buttons in my grid. I check every child element of the grid but only choose those that are a button. If your child element is not a button but for example a label, you just have to replace button with label. If the elements you want to search for are on different levels, you have to use a recursive element search. For demonstration purposes, I will change the text of each button to show that they were all selected. As you can see, all the buttons were found and their text was changed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.